Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Camtasia 2020 screen recording software. Okay, let's go. So here I am on my screen. When you finish the installation of Camtasia, you see two shortcuts. The first one is screen recorder and the second one is Camtasia video editor. So when you start your recording, you click on this and just double click on that to open the screen recorder. Okay, and that's what I normally do when I start my screen recording. Okay, so here is Camtasia screen recorder toolbar. Okay, and you have some option on the top right, top left corner of the windows. Here you have the capture, and there's some recording option here. We have record screen, record microphone, system audio, and record webcam. So if you enable all this function, you can record your screen, your webcam, your audio from microphone and your system sound at the same time. Like this enables webcam recording. Here I'm using my built-in webcam on my laptop, and I can also turn it on. I can also change it to my Logitech like this. Hello. I think it's better, but the quality of the webcam is not very good. Normally I use my DSLR as a webcam, so the video quality is better. By the way, just show us an example for you. And that is the webcam function, right? And you click on this drop down menu, you have more option for the webcam. Click here. Let me show you. Here we have the general. Here's some important information about your screen recording, where you will save your recording right here. So we have the file option here. Normally I would change to the disk that I have more empty space on my computer. You can click here and then you can change the location of your saving location. And here's some other option, but it doesn't matter, just the saving location. Make sure that you have enough empty space on your computer, and click here and then okay, go back. And here's the input. So the input, there are some important information here for the frame rate. Make sure that you select 30 frames per second if you are going to make a software tutorial like this, and make sure that you choose TextMate screen recording codec here, or you can change it to 864 right here at the input option. For the audio, you can turn on or off your system audio recording here also. And here's the webcam. You can customize by clicking here for device property. Just one moment, I click on device property. So it will bring up my webcam control property. Here's the webcam control. So we have advanced setting and device information, or all the information about my webcam, where I can control my webcam, such as brightness, saturation, and frame rate, and also resolution here also. But that's come with your webcam. Okay, and let's click cancel. Here we have the frame rate for the webcam, and here's the resolution for the webcam. When we finish, we can click OK to go back to see the toolbar, recording toolbar. Here we have some shortcut. For example, if you want to start, you can press F9, and you can stop, you can press F10. But normally when I press this shortcut, it doesn't work because I use so many other screen recorders, so I avoid using the shortcut. Okay, for the program, it's okay to have here some other options. You can take a look. Let's click OK to go back to the timeline, and here we have an effect with annotation. You can add stamp, system stamp, and add caption to your screen recording, but that is something more advanced. You need to take a look at that option and select the one that's right for you. And here we have the option, so bring you to the same setting window. Okay, and here we have tools, and here recording toolbar and option, also the same, so just the same option, right? And you can close it, and then now is what you need to record on the screen. Camtasia has some option for you. Firstly, full screen. So full screen, meaning that they will record everything on your computer screen. They will record your screen size. So whatever your screen size, the program will record it, 4K or 1080p or 720 or square video or something like that. It depends on your screen. And they also have some other here, for example, widescreen or a specific area on the screen. You can click here and lock application. So it is very, I mean, it's normal. Okay. For a normal tutorial, I will go with full screen, so I'm not going to change it. Here is a camera option, just the webcam, so the same. I just show you. Here's the audio. If you click on this drop down menu, you see many options here. For example, your microphone here, and my Bluetooth headset, and also stereo, and also webcam audio. And I can also turn off my recording microphone here. And it is for the system sound. You just click here to record system sound. System sound is something that play inside your computer. Click here to turn it off, and click here to turn it on. And you can also adjust the volume of your microphone. And once you are ready, and click on this red record to record, and click on that. Let me show you some more thing about the toolbar. It's interesting in Camtasia. Here we have the Camtasia screen recording toolbar. So select on that, it will bring up the screen recording toolbar. So it is also recorded in the video. Okay, and here we have a screen draw. So if you want to write something on the screen, you click here, and then you can write arrows, a rectangular, circle, and other freehand shape here on the screen like this, right? Different arrows on the screen. Okay, that is how to write on the screen when recording, and you can click here to turn it off. Okay, and the program will show you the duration, how long have you recorded. Here 40 seconds, and this is the audio level, and here is the add marker. So you can add marker to your screen recording, and press this button to delete the recording if you don't want to save it because you're not happy with your recording. And this is a pause. If you want to drink water and to do something, some other stuff, you can click on pause button, and you click on stop button to finish. Okay, so once you finish your recording, Camtasia will show you the video editor where you can edit your recording. So instead of showing you a short screen recording, I'm going to show you my project. For example, here we have our screen recording here, and this is a screen recording, and this is my webcam. Right, normally it will be like this, and this is my screen recording. So we can do so many other things with this software. So just trim and cut and add background music and add annotation, and also add special transition effect, transition and effect and animation, and many other things more. So I'm going to show you how to edit video using Camtasia in the next tutorial. By the way, this tutorial is about screen recorder, so I just make sure that I will only show you about the screen recorder, not go to the video editor, because there's so many other interesting things about this software in the video editor. But the most common things, we can adjust the mouse cursor. For example, we can go to more and add the mouse cursor to our screen recording. Here, let's drag and drop it, the highlight to the screen recording, and then adjust the mouse cursor on the property. I will show you later in my next tutorial about Camtasia 2020 video editor. So just make sure that you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss that tutorial. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.